Egypt's first electrified light rail transit system, jointly built by Chinese and Egyptian companies, started its trial run on Sunday. Egyptian President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi took the first ride of the LRT at its inauguration ceremony. The LRT project is the fruit of a $1.24 billion contract signed in August 2017 between Egypt's National Authority for Tunnels and the Consortium of China Railway Engineering Corporation and AVIC International Holding Corporation. The rail project connects the new administrative capital being constructed east of Cairo with surrounding distant new cities and districts including El Salam City, 10th of Ramadan City, El Obor City, Badr City and El Shorouk City.
3月10日程轻轨项目是中埃合作“一带一路”建设的旗舰项目。在建设的过程中，中国企业连续作战，克服疫情，一方面抓疫情防控，一方面抓生产不耽误，同时还特别注意培养培训埃及的青年技术人员。
The LRT project is divided into several phases, covering a total distance of 103 kilometers with 19 stations. The current first phase covers a distance of 70 kilometers with 12 stations and will serve 360,000 passengers daily.
The difference between the Egyptian metro and LRT, the speed. In Egyptian metro, the speed is 80 kilometers, but our project LRT is 120 kilometers, so it's very fast and it's very comfortable, better than the Egyptian metro. So I think they will like it.